Hey guys, so we're gonna work on finding the vertex form of a standard form equation when talking about like parabolas and stuff, which I don't really want to get into parabolas themselves, but I just found this really cool. So we're all webcam today. I'm working on paper. Let me take it down. So let's do this bottom part here. So first equation is this here: y equals negative, and in parentheses x plus a close parentheses squared minus 1. So what you want to do first is this is squared here. So when something in parentheses is squared, it usually means it times itself, right? That's what exponent will do. So what you want to do is x plus 8 times x plus 8, always bring down the negative 1. But you still have this negative here. So you distribute the negative to the x and the 8 in the first one. So then you have negative x minus 8 times 8 plus 8 minus 1. And then you distribute a bunch. So negative x times x, that's negative x squared. Negative x times 8, that's minus 8x. And then you distribute this. So negative x times x, that's negative 8x again. And negative 8 times 8 is just negative 64. Bring down your minus 1. Then you add common factors. So there's no other squared x here, so it's just y equals negative x squared. Let's see, negative 8x minus 8x minus 16x, and negative 54 minus 1, that's negative 65. So yeah, let's demonstrate with this other problem on the other side here. Y equals negative 3 times x plus 4 squared plus 8. So again, since it's squared, it's just negative 3, and then x plus 4 times itself, x plus 4 because it's squared, plus 8. Then you distribute the negative 3 into it. So it was negative 3x minus 12. And then the first one, so you distribute the negative 3 into the first one. And then you distribute, so negative 3x times x, that's negative 3x squared. Negative 3x times 4, that's negative 12x. And then negative 12 times x, that's negative 12x again. See how it repeats usually? So here it was negative 8 times both times. Here's negative 12 both times. And negative 12 times 4, that's minus 48. Always remember to add 8. And you simplify. So y equals negative 3x squared. Negative 12x minus 12x is minus 24x. Minus 48 plus 8, that's minus 40. And these are your answers. So you start in standard form and you end up in vertex form. And that's pretty cool, in my opinion. Yeah.